Welcome to the Bids Launchpad tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through every step of setting up your project on Bids and highlight key things to watch out for along the way. To start with, the first step is naming your project. This name will be displayed across the entire platform, so make sure it's accurate and exactly how you want it to appear. Take a moment to double-check before moving on. Next, define the number of NFTs you want to mint. This is a critical step because the number you choose cannot be changed after payment. You'll then have the option to decide if you want to enable amplification services from Bids to boost your project's visibility. Consider this carefully and choose the option that best fits your goals. Once you've reviewed all the details on this page, proceed with payment. Be meticulous here. Mistakes can't be corrected after payment. After payment is confirmed, you'll automatically be redirected to the next page. Here, you'll customize your projects by selecting its category, providing a short project's description, and uploading your collection's profile picture and banner. These elements are crucial for making a strong first impression, so put some thought into them. In the next step, you'll upload a detailed description of your project. Use this section to tell your story, explain your vision, and highlight what makes your collection unique. Finally, you'll move on to uploading the assets for your NFT collection. Make sure your files meet the platform's requirements to avoid any issues during this stage. Since this is a meticulous process, it is imperative to ensure that this step is carried out correctly. If you haven't generated your NFTs or your metadata yet, you can use a tool called NFTexport.io to ensure everything is done correctly. Since this can be overwhelming, we will guide you through the process in this tutorial. To begin, navigate to NFTexport.io and click the Get Started button. This will take you to the NFT generation tool. Before proceeding, ensure you have organized folders on your computer, each containing the specific attributes of your NFTs. These will serve as the layers for your collection. Start by uploading your backgrounds. Navigate to the folder containing your background images, then drag and drop them into the upload field. Once the backgrounds are uploaded, click the Add Layer button on the left-hand side of the screen to add another layer. Name this new layer and upload the corresponding trait images. Repeat this process for each layer in your collection until all traits have been uploaded. Once all layers are in place, carefully check the layer structure. Adjust the order of the layers as needed by dragging them up or down. Use the preview window to confirm that your NFTs look correct with the updated structure. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement, move to the right-hand side of the screen to fill in your collection details. Start by entering the collection name, followed by a short description summarizing your project. Next, set the item name prefix, which will determine how individual NFTs in your collection are named. For example, if you name it XBank, each NFT will include this prefix in its name. Be sure to use the singular form for clarity. Now, define your collection size and carefully review all the fields to ensure everything is accurate. Double-check your inputs before proceeding to the next step. When everything is complete and confirmed, click the Next Step button in the top right corner of the screen. The tool will then generate your NFTs and their metadata. Once the process is finished, you'll see your freshly created NFTs in the next step. In this step, you'll carefully review all of your generated NFTs to ensure they meet your expectations and are free of any mistakes or attribute clashes. If you notice a mistake, it's easy to fix. Simply click on the specific item, locate the incorrect property, and replace it with a different one from the same layer. If you'd like to make a fresh start with a particular NFT, you can regenerate it completely by clicking the Randomize Item button. Once you've made the correction, click the Apply Changes button to save your updates. Additionally, you can analyze specific attributes within your collection to see how often they appear and review other details you may want to inspect. This is a great way to ensure your collection's traits are balanced and meet your design goals. Once you're satisfied with every single item in your collection, proceed to the next step. Take your time during this step. Attention to detail is key to creating a flawless collection. To finalize, write down your email address to receive your NFTs complete with their corresponding metadata. Now that your NFTs are generated, it's time to upload them to the form. For this step, you'll only need the items download. This package includes all the individual images you inspected earlier, along with their corresponding metadata files. After downloading the package, take a moment to quickly review its contents. Ensure the number of items matches your intended collection size, and verify that everything is in order. Remember to click the Extract button to unzip the folder before proceeding. Once you've confirmed the files are correct and ready, head back to the form to begin uploading. When uploading, note that the folder names metadata or JSON are both accepted. You can ignore any specific folder naming requirements mentioned in the form. Simply ensure the folder contains the correct files. After uploading your items, the system will display a confirmation message indicating that your upload was successful. And that's it. Your NFT collection is now uploaded and ready for the next stage. At the fifth step, you'll set your desired minting date in your local time. Keep in mind that this date and time might change based on our launch schedule, but any adjustments will be discussed with you in advance. Next, you can choose to enable a whitelist for your project. A visual guide is provided to show you the proper structure for setting it up. Once the whitelist is enabled, you'll also need to specify the end date and time for when the whitelist should close. Following this, set the mint price for both whitelisted wallets and the general public. Finally, in this step, define the royalty percentage for your collection. On the next page, you'll have the option to provide URLs for your social media accounts and your project's website. These are optional, but can help improve your project's visibility. At the seventh step, you'll be asked to supply your email address. This is a private contact for our team to reach you if there's any issue. Rest assured, your email will not be shared publicly under any circumstances. In the eighth step, there are two critical tasks: enabling multi-sign on your wallet and performing KYC to ensure the legitimacy of your project. To start this process, click the multi-sign button, follow the steps in the Gem Wallet extension, and sign the transaction in your wallet. Next, you'll have to conduct a quick KYC review. To prevent fraudulent activity as much as possible, click on the Start Verification button to initiate this process and follow the steps on your screen. Once finished, the pop-up will close, and you can proceed by clicking Save and Next. At the final step, you'll see a summary of all the information you've entered. Carefully review everything to ensure it's correct. If there are any mistakes, return to the relevant step, adjust the details, and don't forget to click Save to confirm your changes. If everything is accurate, scroll to the bottom of the screen to check for any additional minting requirements. For example, if you're minting on the XRP ledger, additional XRP reserves may be needed. Follow the on-screen instructions and refresh the page to confirm that all requirements are met. When you're ready, click the Apply button to finalize your application. And that's it, you're all set. Be sure to check back on this page periodically for updates about your mint. If you've opted for marketing support, feel free to reach out to the BIDS team for further assistance. Good luck with your project, and thank you for choosing the BIDS platform and Launchpad.